AddVantage, a new game by Turn to the Wonderful. In it we have dice and we have tiles and we have boards for 2 to 4 players. The way the game starts off is you take 6 tiles and randomly put them in these 6 places on the sides over here. You save 2 tiles for the diagonals, and I'll talk about those in a moment. Everyone also gets a card which comes into play at the very end of the game. The goal is to make these add up to 8 or 11 or 12 or 13 or 7. And if anyone gets a diagonal that is either 9 or 12, they get to take either of those. These here are available to anybody. The way you roll is 2 dice. You place them in. Oh, look at that. That adds up to 8. This comes off. And the 5 can go right. Oh, look at that. 4, 4, and 5 is 13. This one would come off right here. The first one to get all of their corner tiles off wins. The game takes a little bit of a change once all of the dice are placed, the board is filled up. This is a game that's towards the end. This player is winning because they have almost all of theirs off. This has 3 left. The 10th spot is a safe spot. You can stash any roll that you don't particularly like. In the end game, you could either choose any 2 dice and roll them like that and put them in, or, in any order to try to make the thing match up. Or you could turn any die into a 3. You could trade any 2 of your dice, places between any 2 of them. So I could do this one, and that would make this 11. If I did that, you only get to do it once. I would put this on it so I know not to do it again. Or you could trade dice with an opponent during your turn. First one to get them off wins. If this one gets them off, they would get 1, 2, 3 points, or however many points there are left from all of the other players. First 1 to 10 points wins. AddVantage by Turn to the Wonderful.